Okay, you guys, so here is my first bundle, and right here I'm giving you a 30 feet mesh. I'm also giving you another one for a reef mesh, of course, and those were originally $4 each. I'm also giving you this one that was, it's a 10 by 10, and it was originally $10. So right there already I passed the bundle right there, just with those three. I'm also going to go ahead and give you these felt bunnies, which I thought were really cute. And they come in three colors. They come in the blue, the white, and the gray. So these are adorable. I'm going to throw those in there with the bundle as well. I'm also going to go ahead and throw some more of the felt. I'm going to give you the pink bunny, the blue bunny, and the yellow bunny as well. I'm going to also give you the blue egg. I'm going to throw in the yellow egg and the pink egg as well. So this is bundle number one. This is going to be $10 for the bundle and $15 to ship because it is more expensive to ship it because of the mesh. But the mesh is a good size, and not only is a good size, it has a lot. So you could probably get 2 reefs off the mesh. They're great for Easter colors as well. The pink is great for Valentine's, so you can use it optional however you want. But this one is a great size, and look at how thick it is compared to the other one. Even though the other one is thick, it is really thick. You could probably get 2 reefs off that, and you would have plenty left over for another project. So this bundle is $10 and $15 to ship. I'll leave all the information down below so you can just get everything right. This is bundle number 2. For bundle number 2, I'm going to go ahead and give you this jewel border stickers. And as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and give you 2 sheets of this one. So you get 2 of those. I'm also going to throw in there this gems stickers. So I'm going to give you 2 of the gems. And look at how gorgeous they are. They're very pretty. These are just little bundles. I'm also giving you the Chanel stems, and you get a 70 in here. So you get plenty of them for your art projects. They were originally $2, and you get plenty of them. 70 stems is not bad. You can go ahead and make a ton of stuff. I use these all the time, especially when I'm tying up reefs and other things. This is great. So this is bundle number 2, and these are just little bundles I made of art projects. I'm going to also throw in, these are great to put in your stickers, your gems, your charms, anything you want to put in those little containers. And I'm giving 4 of them away in the bundle. So that's perfect to put just little arts and craft stuff. They're really useful. I'm also going to throw in the chunky brushes, and you get 3 of them. Those are great for painting, and just to have around, you know, in case you ever need them. They're going to be right there, and those are going to be included in the bundle. I'm also going to give you these sticker sheets, and you get the alphabet, you get the numbers, and you also get the alphabet in lowercase. So I'm going to include all 3 of them in there. So that's perfect for your arts and crafts little projects, or if you want to go ahead and give it to the kiddos to make something. I'll just throw all 3 pieces in there. So this is a great arts and crafts bundle. It has the stickers. It has a little bit of everything. This is going to be $10 and $10 to ship. Bundle number 3, I'm going to go ahead and add these alphabet stickers, and you get 370 pieces in each one. So I'm going to go ahead and give it to you in the black, the green, the red, and the blue. So you get all these colors in there. So that's not bad. You get every color in there. These are great for arts and crafts. These are great for the kiddos. I'm also going to give you the treat bags, and they are in green, and you get 10 of them. Those are great to put stuff as well to give for gifts. I'm going to throw in there the jot. This is great if you're having a yard sale, you're going to sell something. They're just little stickers with prices on them. I am also going to go ahead and throw in these stickers for graduation, but they're just regular stars. You can use them any way you want. You get 6 of them in there. So 3 of the gold and 3 of the black. I'm going to go ahead and throw in this ABC 2-inch 5 centimeter letters. And you get 104 features in here. And they come in blue. This is also great for the little ones, for crafting, anything you can think of. These are just little craft bundles I'm putting together that I'm going to go ahead and just sell. I have so much stuff and I have more coming up. I'm also going to give away these 3 card holders in the bundle. So yeah, I just wanted to clean out, and I have a lot of stuff I just want to get rid of, and a lot of stuff is so good. All this stuff has never been used, and I just wanted to go to a family that's going to use it and make something with it, come up with a craft. I'm also going to throw these in there. And I threw it just as an extra, the red and the gray. I'm throwing these in there, and these were $1 from the Target dollar spot, and they're the alphabet in the green. These are great for Christmas, or if you just like the color green. So this is a great bundle. It's going to be $10 for the bundle and $10 to ship as well. The next bundle, I'm going to go ahead and throw in the fake snow. I have a little pouch. The googly eyes. You get a ton of them in there, which are great for DIYs, especially for the little ones. I'm going to throw away the coins for St. Patrick's Day. You get 30 of them in the pack. I'm going to go ahead and put in there the 8-book ring, the medium size. I'm also going to throw the 6 large ones, the rings. These are great. Let me tell you, I always have them in my craft room. I'm going to be putting in there 325 pieces of the beads, and they're in white pearls. I'm going to put in there this multi-pen that has different colors to write with. I'm going to be throwing in there the craft square, and this is the eraser. I'm going to throw in the craft square scissors. Also the piercing tools, and you get 2 of them in there, and those are great if you have dies. Trust me, they're gonna save your life. I'm gonna throw in there this little tiger, so cute. And I'm also gonna throw in there another pair of the scissors. So this bundle is gonna be $10 and $10 to ship. It's a cute mix of just arts and crafts stuff you can use. If you see anything you like, please let me know. And you can go ahead and email me. I'll leave my email down below just in case you do. The next bundle is going to have these vanity stickers. And they are the numbers. And they are from Jot. I'm going to go ahead and throw 2 of those in there. I'm also going to throw these cute robot stickers in there. You get 6 of them. I think they're so cute. That's great for the kiddos. I'm also going to throw in there this die cut, and it's a little house. And this here alone is $15. So it's a great deal for this bundle. And you get 2 pieces. So this is the die cut. If you have the machine, this right here is great for you. So just the die cut alone right there is perfect. Next, I'm going to throw in the 6x6 paper pad, and you get 9 designs, 2 of each. And I'm going to go ahead and just show you really quick. And this is great for cards making, if you're going to use a die cut, if you're going to make a card, if you need paper. And this was originally $3. And I got it for $1.50. So this is a great paper pad. And I'm going to throw that in there as well. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add these. These are great. They're for your nails, and you can go ahead and paint your nails and make dots to your nails, and you can also use them as paintbrushes, and they're perfect. I use them all the time. And those right there were like $10. I'm also gonna throw in this die cut, and this was originally 5, and it says create, and it has one piece, and look, it originally $12. So right there is the whole bundle basically. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this die cut. She is so cute. Just to throw her in there, little extra something. I think that's adorable. You can use it to different colors, and you can paste it on there. There's just so much you can do. So right there, just throwing in the dies is really expensive. I'm also going to throw in a piercing, and this is great for your die cuts to punch through the stuff. So that's perfect, and it goes great with the other die that says create. So it's a little like matching theme. So that's perfect to have in your crafting piece. And just to keep on crafting, I'm also going to throw in this one. And this is like a little holder, so wait until you use it. Trust me, you're gonna like it. So that's another die cut. So right there, the package is way beyond priced, and you get a ton of great items. So this package, I am gonna leave it at shipping 10, and the package I'm gonna give it at 15, just because the die cuts are so expensive. The next package is this banner from Target, and it was $3, and it says welcome. It's great for fall that's coming up. It's great for Christmas. You can customize it. You can do whatever you want. It got sold out last year. I'm also going to give these die cuts an embellishment. And right here, this set is like around $15. So it's perfect. They're super heavy. They're great. They're sturdy. And they're really nice. I'm also going to throw in the second set. It cuts, it embellishes, it does everything you need, and also around 15 bucks. I'm gonna throw in the chalk writer or chalk pen in there, as well as the chalk tags. And they're so adorable, so that'll go together. So you could use both of them. I'm also gonna throw in another die cut, and it's gonna be the heart. That is perfect for Valentine's, for love. I'm gonna throw in these 3 dies, and they are bows. So they're so cute. They make bows. Each die makes its own bow. So you can go ahead and get 3 of them in the bundle. So right there, that would be around $10. And I'm going to go ahead and throw it in there so you get a little bit of everything. I wanted you to see the bowls because they're so adorable, and you can make them in any color you want. Any cardstock, you can make your own cards. You can start, a lot of stuff. And look, this is the first bowl. Isn't that cute? It looks like the Minnie Mouse bowl. This is the second one, and then you get one more. So it's 3 in the bundle. And let me tell you, these dies are expensive. These die cuts, they're expensive. If you're going to go ahead and start your own, they're pretty pricey. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw it in the bundle right here. And this bundle is going to be 15, and the shipping is 10. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit me up on my email. I'll link it down below. If you want to just chat about something, I'll also be putting it on my Instagram. So go ahead and take advantage of that if you have any questions. And yeah, they're just little fun arts and crafts bundles. I was cleaning my